Now I have few sentences for you. You will identify whether it's a gerund or it's a participle. Okay? So that's what we are going to do now. All you're going to do is underline. Underline the gerunds and participles. Okay? Underline. Underline the gerund. Underline the gerunds. And the participle. And that's what we are going to do. Either we'll underline either the gerund or the participle. First, I'll write out the sentence for you, then we'll go slowly. Walking. Walking is a good exercise. Good exercise. Walking is a good exercise. Now, it can be either gerund or participle. What is it? Walking. First of all, walking. Walking is a gerund. Walking is a good exercise. So in this sentence, walking is a gerund. What is it? Gerund. Identify and write out. Next sentence, look at this. He tried to get into. He tried to get into. He tried to get into a moving bus. Into a moving bus. He tried to get into a moving bus and hurt himself. And hurt himself. And hurt himself. So can you get into a moving bus? No. Now here, he tried to get into a moving bus and hurt himself. Here the participle here is moving. Participle, here it is moving. So the word here moving says it's a participle, and so this sentence is a participle. Look at the next sentence. Hunting animals used to be the favorite sport of kings. Hunting. Hunting animals. Hunting animals used to be the favorite sport. The favorite spot of kings. Okay. Now here, hunting is whether it's the gerund or participle, it will end in ing. Now, hunting again is a gerund here. Hunting animals. Hunting animals used to be the favorite spot of kings, and it is a gerund. The sentence is a In the sentence, what we used here, hunting, it's a gerund. Next sentence. She kept me waiting for an hour. She kept me. She kept me waiting. She kept me waiting for an hour. An hour. She kept me waiting for an hour. And here the word waiting, it's a participle. The waiting is a participle. Next sentence. Sujata loves knitting. Sujata loves knitting. And here knitting is a gerund. Knitting. It does the work of a noun. It does the work of a verb. Knitting. Sujata loves knitting. That is a gerund. Next sentence. Seeing the lion, I was scared. Seeing the lion. Seeing the lion. Seeing the lion, I was scared. Okay. Seeing the lion, here in this seeing is a participle. Seeing, here it is a participle. The next sentence, he kept telling lies. He kept telling. He kept telling lies. He kept telling lies, and here the lies is a participle. Lies, telling is a participle. He kept telling lies, participle. The dress needs ironing. The dress. The dress needs ironing. Here, ironing. The word in this sentence, ironing, is a participle. The dress needs ironing. It's a participle. I have another sentence here for you. Agreeing to my offer, he joined the business. Agreeing. Agreeing. Agreeing to my offer. To my offer. Agreeing to my offer, he joined my business. He joined my business. Agreeing. So when it is agreeing, then this is a gerund. Agreeing. So it's a gerund. And you have another sentence for you, the last sentence. A woman wore a torn sari. The woman wore a torn A woman wore a torn sari. Here, torn sari. A woman wore a torn sari, that is a torn. Although ing not there, it is a participle. Now, what have we done here? We underlined the gerunds and underlined the participle. Walking is a good exercise. Walking is a gerund. He tried to get into a moving bus. That's a moving here. It's a participle. Hunting animals used to be the favorite sport of kings. Hunting here. Hunting is a gerund. Fourth one. She kept me waiting for an hour. Here the word waiting is a participle. Sujata. Sujata loves knitting. Knitting, that's a gerund. Seeing the line, I was scared. That's a seeing here is participle. He kept telling lies. Here the telling is a participle. The dress needs ironing. This sentence, ironing is a participle. Agreeing to my offer, he joined my business, that's a gerund. And finally, the woman wore a torn dress, sari, and that's a participle. So we learned to identify the gerund and identify the participle and underlining.